Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to record screen on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center. From here, just look for an option which is called screen recorder. Now if you cannot find the screen recorder option in your control center, just tap on the edit button, then tap on edit. Now just select the screen recorder option from here. Now once you find the screen recorder option, just tap on it to add it to your control center. Then tap on done. Now once you add the screen recorder option to your control center, just open your control center and tap on screen recorder. Now from here, just select from where to record the sound while screen recording. You can select none and it will not record any sound. And if you select media, it will only record the sound of the media. And if you select media and mic, it records the sound of the media on the smartphone, and it will also record the sound from the microphone of your smartphone. After that, you can enable or disable show taps and touches, just like that. Now once you have done that, just tap on start recording. And once you do that, it will start screen recording on your smartphone. Now if you tap on the pencil icon, you can draw while you're screen recording. And to remove the marking on the screen, just tap on the pencil icon one more time. And if you tap on the person icon over here, you will start recording from the front camera on your smartphone. Now to pause the screen recording, just tap on the pause button and it will pause the screen recording. And to play it back, just tap on the red icon over here. Now to save the screen recording, just tap on the square icon over here. And it will save the screen recording. Now to find your screen recording, just open the gallery app and you will find your screen recording right here. And this is how you can record screen on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.